much riding today. We've got a 2-hour trip in this ferry going over to Coromandel.
The train is coming.
Very close to Tunnel 3 here. Everything is fine, please. Also a golden opportunity for the kids to shout out their best trainer as we go through.
Here's the bearings.
So that's the boiler for that little steam engine that we were just looking at.
It goes into the tub at the end, and we can manually transfer it there to just the shrivel it, and the dog will sort of do it.
Originally there are 800 of these in the town. There's now only 5. We've got to wear these earmuffs. River where everything used to come up, for all the mining and everything else. Got it silted up. So huge boats comes up, used to come up here. So you've got a group of about 15 people coming to do a boat trip at the moment, but they've got to wait for the tide to come in. You can see from these photos what it used to be like. The route that it takes just goes through the mountain.
Yeah, quite good.
Yep. A lot of traffic on the main road if we had to go on that. Being on the bike track, we don't have any of it. They used to be on top of those concrete pylons there, and they're filled with potassium cyanide, and the tailings of the dam, of the diggings, to try and extract the gold from it. Yeah, it's quite a lethal concoction, I would think. That's what it used to look like when it was in operation. Where those tanks are in front there, with the cyanide in them. There's not much of it left now. That's the rail trail going along. They have little trains going around there during the weekend. So off we go up that way. We're off to today, Rick.
Oh, I can't pronounce it. It's a rude word.
Is it?
Yeah, I can't pronounce it.
Traffic. It's flat. Look at it. This is the first bit of flat. Look at that, as far as we can see. Here's Rick trying to tell his GoPro what to do.
Yeah, no, I was talking.
It never does what you tell it to, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Their hotel, the red brick, the red roof place there.
Do you just press it once? Oh, it's recording.
It's 11:25, so we're going to move. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Are we going to make it back to get our bus?
No,
No. Oh, that's a fairly definite.
no. I said this was a rest day.
Oh, right.
And so
what are you
Noel-
resting?
what did Noel do?
You're sitting down.
Take me on a 3-hour walk, 10,000 steps.
So we're getting to Ohovey Beach, which we're then got to walk along there, and we're going to get the bus back if we can get it.
GoPro, take photo.
Now we've got to, in this factory, we've got to try and get our bikes back into the bike boxes and then head off to Wellington. It's pouring with rain here. They haven't had rain in months.